You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this character from mythology. This is a name from Latin, meaning eternal boy, literally. So we have different pronunciations. In Latin, it comes from Latin, obviously. It'd be pronounced as puer aeternus. Puer aeternus. Now, in English, that's not generally how it's pronounced. There are different pronunciations. Some say it as pure, the first word pure, others as poor, right? Pure or poor, essentially. Now, the second word also has different pronunciations, either Aeternus, or some say it as Aeternus as well, which I believe all those pronunciations are correct. They're listed on some dictionaries. So we got pure Aeternus, or poor Aeternus, or pure Aeternus, or poor Aeternus. So you have different combinations depending whether it's American English, British English, etc. I would say poor, because that sounds a bit more like the Latin. Aeternus, personally. But how would you say it? Rather yourself, let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.